Ethereum is an open-source blockchain stage that empowers the formation of shrewd agreements and decentralized applications dApps, permitting designers to fabricate secure, straightforward, and oversight-safe programming arrangements that can robotize different undertakings and cycles without a focal power. Assuming that you're searching for Ethereum cost expectation scores for 2024, 2025, 2030, and need to know where the cost of Ethereum ETH will go from now on, we will break down the past costs of Ethereum ETH, and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. Kindly remember that you want to take this forecast and each and every expectation with the goal that this is just the idea of some market master examiners. Also, anticipating something so wonderful is totally incomprehensible. In any case, we will make an honest effort. How about we start? Ethereum outline. Ethereum was sent off back in 2015 when digital forms of money were at their pinnacle. The advancement that was utilized to construct Bitcoin was accustomed to carry Ethereum into this present reality. Ethereum is absolutely programmable. This implies that you can construct dApps, decentralized applications with practically no hustle effectively on their organization. The elements of the application that is based on the organization are exceptionally cutting edge. All the organization gives you play with its developments access an exceptionally lovely way, and you can in a real sense do anything with the innovation. The organizer behind ETH, Vitalik Buterin, delivered the white paper of the coin in 2013, preceding the coin's underlying coin presenting back in 2015. Ethereum establishment was likewise a drive of the pioneers behind the Ethereum organization. However, the originators need to leave the organization since it was reported as a not-for-profit organization authoritatively. The ICO was held in Florida, where the organizers behind the ETH sold more than $18 million worth of coins. The sum was expected to use in the improvement of the venture. The coin needed to sit tight for a long to get itself on the board. The clients began to move the coins in 2015. The hard fork was one of the significant occasions held in ETH history. The hard fork update was proposed by the originators since they figure it would keep programmers from getting into the ETH blocks. Ethereum a support point on the lookout. Ethereum is a decentralized organization. The clients on the organization are called hubs, which are holding the organization's information on various servers. This makes the organization exceptionally secure from malware assaults. This is the principal contrast among Bitcoin and Ethereum, as the two organizations are putting away information in a totally different ways. The exchanges on the organization are completely open to the next network clients. Whole blocks are shared by diggers on the organization so different clients can see what is add or erased from the organization. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Ethereum is $3.21 and ETH is as of now positioned #2 in the whole crypto environment. The dissemination supply of Ethereum is 120, 105, 243 with a market cap of $362, 830, 75, 984. With an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Ethereum's cost has shown a decent increment of 253% as of now. For most recent 7 days, the ETH was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 0.83%. Ethereum has shown areas of strength for exceptionally of late, and this could be decent and open door to dive right in and contribute. We anticipate future Ethereum cost expectations of gauge by applying profound man-made consciousness helped specialized investigation on the past value information of Ethereum. We give a valiant effort to gather most extreme verifiable information for the ETH coin, which incorporate various boundaries like past value, Ethereum market cap, Ethereum volume, and scarcely any more. On the off chance that you are hoping to put resources into advanced digital forms of money and need great profit from your speculations, try to peruse our expectations. Ethereum value expectation rundown. Experts project a bullish pattern for Ethereum in 2025, with costs possibly coming to $6,258 mark. Ethereum cost figure proposes a chance of ETH exchanging between $35,406 to $41,929 in 2030. Ethereum is as of now estimated at $3.21 on the lookout. Our Ethereum long-haul figure for 2050 recommends ETH possibly running somewhere in the range of $232.35 and $248.84. The cost of one ETH would reach as high as $196.400 by 2040. Ethereum value expectation 2024. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of ETH, in 2024 the cost of Ethereum is anticipated to reach at least degree of $3,600. The ETH cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $4,315 with the typical exchanging cost of $3,720. Ethereum Value Expectation 2025. The cost of Ethereum is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $5,432 in 2025. The Ethereum cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $6,258 with the typical exchanging cost of $5,618 all through 2025. ETH value gauge for 2026. Ethereum cost is gauged to arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of $7,938 in 2026. According to our discoveries, the ETH cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $9,521 with the typical gauge cost of $8,163. Ethereum ETH value forecast 2027. The cost of one Ethereum is supposed to reach at any rate level of $11,451 in 2027. The ETH cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $13,522 with the typical cost of $11,859 all through 2027. Ethereum value forecast 2028. Ethereum cost is estimated to arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of $16 to $758 in 2028. According to our discoveries, the ETH cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $2215 with the typical gauge cost of $17,232. Ethereum Value Expectation 2029. The cost of Ethereum is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $23,457 in 2029. The Ethereum cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $28,668 with the typical cost of $24,319 all through 2029. Ethereum ETH Value Forecast 2030. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of ETH, in 2030 the cost of Ethereum is estimated to be at around a base worth of $35,406. The Ethereum value worth can arrive at a limit of $41 to $929 with a typical exchanging worth of $36,379 in USD. Ethereum value figure 2031. According to the figure and specialized examination, in 2031 the cost of Ethereum is supposed to reach at any rate value worth of $50,379. The ETH cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of $60,416 with a typical worth of $51,834. Ethereum ETH value forecast 2032. The cost of Ethereum is anticipated to reach at the very least worth of $77,235 in 2032. The Ethereum cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $87,679 with a typical exchanging cost of $79,827 all through 2032. Ethereum value forecast 2033. According to the estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2033 the cost of Ethereum is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $111,661.